Change think tank dedicated to improving the lives of people throughout the world, creating solutions for the homeless. A large population of homeless people is a symptom that our community is not healthy. We must increase the supply of safe, permanent, supportive housing units. We must emphasize permanent solutions. Safe, permanent, supportive housing units is one of the proven, most effective tools for ending long-term homelessness. Research has proven providing safe, supportive housing first, then services to deal with drug abuse, alcoholism, and mental illness in a safe environment will create a more successful, long-term, permanent solution for ending homelessness. While it is often implied that mental illness causes homelessness, it clearly could be the other way around. Homelessness is a condition associated with increased daily hassles, decreased social support, decreased health status, and increased adverse life events, all of which ultimately are related to amplified depressive symptoms. We might conclude then that higher rates of mental illness among this population are the natural result of the condition, not the cause of it. A key component that has restricted us from providing enough safe, permanent, supporting housing units to all the homeless is lack of funding. Although it is estimated about approximately $20 million is spent on services for homeless people in Portland every year, yet only about 12% of that money is currently spent on safe, permanent, supported housing units. We clearly need to improve that overall percentage. In my opinion, to permanently end homelessness in Portland, we need to increase our homeless fund from approximately $20 million each year to approximately $50 to $100 million each year. As Mayor Charlie Hales has stated, we passed 3 money measures income ballots. Therefore, passing any new tax measures obviously is not the answer. Let me present a plan on how we can make an effort to accomplish this. First, we need to create a care, safe, permanent, supportive housing fund. Second, the City of Portland will create an understanding and working relationship with the real estate development community that we must replace lost low-income housing units when we are developing new condominium projects. Third, when condominiums are developed in the City of Portland, upon the inception, a clause will be inserted by the developer in the CC&R's agreement that 1% of the sale of any condominiums will be directed into the Care Safe Permanent Supporting Housing Fund. This will create continuous and ongoing revenue for the fund. Fourth, if an existing apartment building is converted to condominiums, usually the property, because of increased value, tax revenue can double, if not triple. I am asking the City of Portland to impose a 25% fee to be placed upon new increased property tax revenue created by the conversion of apartments to condominiums and be directed to the Care Safe Permanent Supporting Housing Fund.
So go ahead and wrap up.
I'm almost done, sir. I'm almost done. The City of Portland will use this funding for the purpose of creating and developing safe, supported, permanent housing units in an attempt of ending homelessness. This plan creates a win-win for the real estate development community, the City of Portland, and the homeless. Thank you.
Thank you very much.